So currently I am in Onitsha, so I'm going to Owerri Ezukala in Anambra State, Orumba South precisely, and I'm going to show you guys an amazing waterfall and the biggest cave in Nigeria, so I heard, but I have to go there and confirm it myself. I have a very good friend with me. You know, you guys already see this guy before. He's been in one of my videos, the video I made in Enugu, my Enugu vlog. So guys, that's it. So we'll be heading to Owerri Ezukala by car, and stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. Guess what? We saw one of the wheeled condominium here in Anambra State, here in Orumba South. You know what? I'm gonna get down from the car.
The biggest in Anambra State.
The biggest condominium. Well, I'm gonna get down from the car. Then I think I'm gonna make a simple vlog about this condominium just to show you guys what we found. Oh my God! Nah, guy, they go there. Yeah, the knock. Yeah, but no. Don't you there? Okay, guys, take a look. Whoa!
Jesus Christ! Guy, you late.
Now look at the thing. Now, so to go like attraction. No, no go just. You know, go just cross this road. No stop.
No stop, guy.
Jesus Christ! Holy Mary! Yo guys, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Take a look at that gigantic building. This is very, very strange. At the same time, it's very, very lovely. Like Chineke, I'm very, very impressed. There is no how like you pass along this way without, you know, stopping to admire this great beauty, because this is something extraordinary. This is not something you see every day in Anambra State. You get to find such things in Lagos, like the capital of Nigeria. Like, I'm so honored and privileged to be here right now, like being the first people to witness these great developments in this part of Anambra State.
My first child ever
I don't see that. I don't see.
On have good things now.
God, we're going to bright future. Nah, when you form another, them. God.
I'm more your dear now. I was born in a skyscraper. I'm not getting my maternity.
Very awesome. Be there, man. I'm there. So guys, I'm gonna throw a drone up. I'm gonna show you guys the area view of this place, because I can't afford just to pass along without, you know, showing you guys this great development going on around here. So basically, here is Umuchuku in Orumba South local government, and actually I'm still on my way to Owerri Ezukala. But right now I'm gonna throw a drone shot just to show you guys the area view of this environment, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's take the drone to the sky. Woo! Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoy what I'm showing you guys. I hope you like it. So just about to give you guys what's really happening in southeastern Nigeria, the redevelopment, the positive things about the eastern Nigeria. I'm so proud, guys. If you Anambra now watch, if I be proud of yourself, guys. People are doing great things. Like there are also like beautiful houses here. I think people have already started investing or building houses around the place. This is the right time to like, as in, if you have money, this is the right time to buy land here because let's say by 5 years time or 10 years time,
5 years.
one plot of land here or something else. This is the right time. We just arrived at the Owerri Ezukala cave and waterfall. So that's it. So I believe this is the entrance. So now I'm about to get down. It's gonna be like very adventurous. So let's go.
The highest cave in the world.
Okay.
The highest cave in the world.
Money we na aju man and man amaro maka.
Man maya. Oh governor this thing.
All the very rare.
Mana bro onye obuna amadi cave. Ka esi amara obinike.
What if have obunike? Look at block here. I think I can now put another. We're going to go another village. But you from Banyaja, Waterfall. I don't know where we're going.
Okay.
Ever going to shoot good?
This village now, village. Based in Owerri Ezukala. But we have the capital.
Village.
I want capital. Owerri Ezukala. It's never got to have.
Everybody's sleeping. Guys, take a look at the waterfall. For now, the massive. I cannot even believe that such things do exist here in Anambra State. They go down in a cave. Yeah, man, this is something extraordinary. Oh my God. I basically just ladder. Okay, honey. Okay.
Since you will go there now, I cannot try.
No, nature about Kalaka guy. Now the cave.
They're not born away.
For a jogger, for now, touch.
Of your failure.
I'm telling you, as in there.
The baby na cheba now.
Okay.
The guy who
So I got to go so over.
Sky.
This is the entrance of the cave, and we're about to go in right now.
This thing. It's not even recording now.
The record Canada.
For Ebana.
Kebabona.
Yeah, but that thing in the old days like there, a book was Sunday. A la Buko.
But
Kidia. About Lebusani, the Mamande. Okay, it's true. Lebusani.
okay.
Now,
So you want to be about olden days?
Nah, here I number go.
They need to make a proper document.
I'm telling you.
Where the best going to there? Okay.
Cabo spanner.
Keriana.
Spanner now.
Okay, Nukute spanner. Okay. Okay.
I can.
Ebeni. Na what you know?
If for Ebeni.
Oh, Makasai.
Let the go now. Okay. If we are here. Okay. Wait, what are you on a cooler?
No, what time you?
Yeah, the guy is this double barrel. Yeah,
Okay.
the iron to you to straight.
So how do we?
One and when they get if
nah, what are the odds?
Since ever may resist. And what be on your back and mereba.
What the shop? What in our food?
I can't use sneakers and they can.
What do you Hey, Tiligaga.
Nah, guy. I don't want
to. You see the band.
Camera, one keyboard. Okay. Guys, I forget fine name here. I don't know if he's ever very scary. Man, I can't hear me fine name.
We are going to Discovery Channel.
To God. Okay, can you face it there? Okay,
toilet. Toilet.
I'm on the Wednesday for there.
The toilet there. I want to perform my floor chair as well. Hey, I'm going to go to here. We got the toilet guy. What a fantastic.
That one. I think I'm going to singlet no. Yeah, we are.
No.
Confirm.
You know?
One that you got a more man.
I confirm.
But I'm from Mikel, you're gonna have one. Was in and make a jump out.
One day for let them latch.
Okay. So this is koi. Koi is it the koi?
Oh, my Jesus.
My Jesus, okay. Mary.
Let's go to the top of the one. I give you.
To God, I tell you. What kind of? Let's try another place. Come back good.
Yes, about now, put on good state.
And I tell you, Kubula, I am about like a vade.
Now, what I observe, also still what they thought.
Yeah, and when many things in the bar, I am for bed. I am what their body serves.
Maybe I have a never. In the room like this. I don't know level in walk to talk. Hey, I'm going to do it.
Take it easy. I know be smart, you know. Hey, never in Kebuka.
Yeah.
Nani de me family ala ro.
I found it! Oh, my God! Hold up, come out, bro. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, come on, yes, when our time don't finish. No time.
We're done from the waterfall, about to get back home. One for next go tago. 100. So, what you guys counting the stairs? We want to know like how many stairs it is to get up there or to get down. Now, can't go this but exercise. This place should be more popular. So far, I've enjoyed my stay here. It's amazing. It's worth the stress, the journey. How many stairs? 200 so far. Now I'm off here. Now go.
200, 201, 202, 203, 204, 205.
So again, man, watch check it is. That's not 205. This is the end of the vlog. We really enjoy ourselves here. So if there's any time you come around the eastern part of Nigeria and you want to visit the waterfall, and the cave. This is an amazing place, amazing location to do your stuff. As you can see, we enjoy the time of our life, and I can't wait to come back here again. So you guys should come around and experience what we experience here. Is so marvelous. The thing be say na ebe anu enjoy very well. Enjoy. But for keeping you. So guys, so we enjoy our stay. I hope you guys really enjoy this one. So I'll see you next time I talk to you. Peace out.